Get me some good old eatery right fast, you know. But I got a few more stops. I'm gonna stop by Memphis Mike Shop to see what he got going on. I'm gonna call my dog real quick. Man. See if he pick up. He normally pick up for me though. See what he got going on his side of town. Let me call. Okay, here we go. See what this guy talking about, man. He might be still at work.
The subscriber you have dialed.
He'll call back. Let me see if this guy here gonna answer the phone. Charger. Yeah, okay. I ain't never seen those wheels before. That color. It's like a bronze color. Let's see if this guy going to the phone. Yo. Man, what you got going on? I got you on the...
I'm trying to get over this goddamn sore throat. Nigga took some medicine and shit. Me knocked out like a motherfucker all day yesterday.
Hey, look. I was looking at the I got you on the vlog, bro. Like I was looking at the man, this the guy, man, real too real, man. Look. I was looking at the video last night, bro. Like everybody said the same thing. Like, man, we could not breathe in that section, bro.
Bro, heck no, couldn't breathe at all, bro. That time had my throat on fire, bro, that night.
And I believe, hey, look, I believe they did that on purpose, bro.
To try to clear up some of them people up out of that bed, bro.
Yeah, man, I believe that.
There's a lot of weed smoking up in that place, so. You know, I think that what it was. So many people was doing them back to back.
But it was.
They started coming upstairs.
But bro, it was hot in our section though.
Yeah, I know. Shit, look at all them bodies.
Man, but it was cool everywhere else. You know what I'm saying? Man, hey, look, I believe they cut the AC off just in our section alone.
I don't know.
They were like.
When it be too packed, shit. That's just how it is, because everybody smoking up. That doing what they doing, like, sure, man, that's a lot of smoke.
Yeah. But I ain't lying, I was like, oh my God. Like, I was so hot. Man, exactly. I was like, man, it's too hot in this section, bro. Like, what is going on? Them folks said, man, we got CJ in the section. All these girls going over to CJ. We gonna make sure the girls don't go over there to CJ. So we gonna turn the AC off in that section. And they still came over there.
Yeah, they seen us with all that money though. That's what it really was.
Boy.
Everybody over there had money in their hands, so you know,
man.
They was gonna bum rush. I don't really be liking it like that, but that is what it is. That's why I was calling again the money to my wife to do shit.
Right.
I ain't need all that hot shit around me.
Man, I'm trying to tell you. I gave my, man, bro, I got a video on my phone, bro. The little bitty girl that came over there, the little small girl. with the she was, I think she had some pink on. She was upside down in the chair on I can't think of who it was. He was right beside me though. Like my wife picked her up, fool. Huh? Yeah, look, my wife picked her up, fool. Yeah. She picked up, she was like, ooh, you got a real ass. Come here. She picked her up. Hey, look, man, that shit was so funny, dog. Dog, that shit was so funny, man. I got the video on my phone. I can't post it though, cause it's goddamn body parts everywhere.
Shit, CJ sold some of that shit.
You did?
Yeah, you just gotta know how to put them emojis and stuff up.
Ah, yeah, see, I ain't got that advantage yet, so.
Yeah, just put the little emojis and stuff on.
Man, that shit was crazy. I had a ball though, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, we had a good time. Shit, I left her.
I left right before y'all did. Y'all must have left right before, I mean, after we did, cause
I left at 3.
I don't even know what time it was I left, but we left. Yeah, I was still there when we left.
Your wife was getting a little drunk, so she was like, I think she was like, and my wife made me go, so.
Yeah, she was drunk. She was drunk and she was irritated because it was hot and it was like we couldn't breathe.
Yeah,
She said the same thing y'all said. She like, man, my throat is burning so bad.
Yeah, because my wife, she went to the restroom. She was trying to make herself throw up and shit, so she
Damn.
some of that shit about her.
Oh yeah, she was drunk then.
Yeah, but shit, we ended up going home, getting home.
Yeah, I got
was just glad I wasn't just out of there or nothing.
Hey, look, I should have recorded this shit, bro. Man, somebody had parked on that back aisle back there. And got that, they was in a Camaro, it was like a 20, it had to be like a 2018, probably, Camaro. Man, dude was in a goddamn SUV, like a damn Yukon or some shit. Man, that man bagged to them folks' car so hard, bro. That man hit he hit them folks' car like 4 times.
For real?
Hell yeah, and balled off.
Yeah, and that truck probably didn't even get a scratch on.
Hell nah, I ain't get no scratch on it. I don't even know. I don't even think he felt he hit that car.
Shit, that's what they do up here. Them niggas do straight hit and runs.
But shit, them folks were wrong for even parking back there though. Like they was parked on the curb on the back line behind some parking spaces. Like they was directly behind him. So if he was drunk, he wasn't gonna see that shit no way.
Yeah, if he was drunk, shit, he probably didn't look at the reverse camera. But you know, if it was an old Silverado, they ain't coming no cameras on the middle one.
Right. That shit was crazy.
Yeah, that's a long bed on that motherfucker.
Nah, this was it was an SUV. It was like a Yukon or some shit.
Oh, it was a Yukon.
I said, damn. So we was sitting there watching that shit. He bagged up, pulled up, hit that motherfucker again, bagged up, pulled up, hit that joint on the front bumper, and pulled off.
If he didn't feel the first one, shit, that's it. Yeah, he was drunk.
I said, oh my God.
They said there was so many wrecks that night.
Bruh, it was. I seen a few wrecks when I was going back to the hotel.
Yeah, shit, I ain't seen nothing.
That's crazy.
I ain't seen nothing at all.
Shit, we still had some money left when we came about that junk.
Shit, we did too. Shit. I still had something. Nigga, I'm still spending ones right now.
No, hey, look, I can't put the ones in the safe. I put ecstasy dollars. I wrote ecstasy dollars on the band. Ecstasy dollars 1/1/2022 and threw that shit in the safe.
This nigga crazy.
Threw it in the safe, goddamn, for hard times.
Yeah, this shit is good though. That you came up out of that was something though.
Hell yeah. Hell, she had some too. She was spending that shit, goddamn it, on the way
I
home.
went downstairs and got a whole nother bag.
Real?
I went downstairs and threw some money, yeah.
Damn.
I went and got a whole nother 1,000 out.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
I ain't never did that shit before. I was like, ooh, this shit here fun, goddamn it.
Yeah, but don't get used to it.
Oh, hell no.
It hurts you
Nah, I probably won't do this shit again for another 12 years.
And that's crazy, cause we be doing this shit every goddamn weekend, messing with CJ.
Nah, I ain't fucking around.
That man. But he said he ain't going back to that motherfucker no time soon, though.
Yeah, I seen that. That boy said, I don't want to see no strip club. I don't want to see no strippers. I don't want to see none of that shit.
The nigga mouth was burning. That's what it was.
Right. Them folk were hating on CJ, bro. They cut the AC off in our section, bro. Cut off the ventilation.
Shit, they couldn't have been on loud.
Right. It probably wouldn't.
Like that. Hell no. They probably turned it off on the whole place.
Man, this shit was crazy.
See, what people don't understand is people come into ecstasy at 2 o'clock and 2:30.
Yeah.
That's when they start getting out of the other clubs. So they go to ecstasy. That's why it gets so hot around that time.
Man, sure, it was hot as a bitch, boy. I said, oh my God.
That's why it gets hot, because it ended up getting packed, because everybody was coming in at 3. Because that bitch don't close until 5.
Right.
Yeah.
I told them for out. I seen that line. I said, oh, hell nah, y'all some damn fools. Y'all think I'm finna sit here and wait with y'all. We don't do that shit. No.
Hey, I know not to come back down this road. What the hell?
Ass
traffic.
You driving? What you got going on?
Shit, headed out here to check on my cousins. Everybody keep asking me about it, shit, and I'm tired of calling this dude. He ain't answering.
Oh yeah, you got. It's pull up time now.
Oh yeah, I'm pulling up now. Shit, I got 13 minutes. Shit, I'm on the pull up now. Yeah. I'm sure, man. I can't have no shit like that. Like, shit, that have me worried. Like, nigga, damn, nigga, is my car still there? Type shit.
Man, what? Like, man, you done pull one on me, didn't you? Oh, you thought you was.
Yeah, and then that's one thing I don't do. I don't run behind people.
Right.
So when I do call, it have to be a month or 2 in the past.
Right.
For me to even call you. Then I'll wait another month before I call you again. That's what I did. When I ain't getting no answer yesterday, I'm like, oh no, shit. Today I'm making sure I go about this motherfucker. I ain't finna keep getting no voicemail.
For real, for real.
Yeah.
Oh shit. But yeah, man, I'm just riding around the city, man, doing a little vlogging. I learned a lot while I was out there from y'all guys, man.
Yeah, nigga, record any means necessary.
Man, I'm recording by any means. I'm recording everything. I'm be pumping out daily vlogs in no time.
Man, nah, your ass ain't gonna never do that.
Who? Man, look.
Too lazy.
I've been recording since, man, 8 o'clock this morning.
I know.
You know how many videos I got? I'm finna post one right now. I just downloaded one right now. I'm finna post this joint right now when I got the phone with you. And then I'm finna go over. I'm finna go to
I said you need to go ahead and post, nigga.
Oh yeah.
Be your excuse.
Oh no, that joint ready to go. Like no, that joint is in the hole. Like for real, that joint in the hole. This all I gotta do is pull the trigger. That joint coming out.
Oh yeah, just hit public.
Oh yeah, that's all I gotta do. And I'm finna shoot the Memphis mic shop. See what he got going on. Finna record over there. Then I'm gonna go to the house. That'll be at least 4 days.
Shit, I probably come down there before I go to Atlanta.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Shit.
I'm gonna head to Atlanta. I think the 11th, 10th, and 11th.
Yeah, he said the 10th.
Like
He was trying to get me to go. The 10th.
yeah, and then so it won't feel like no straight shot. Go to Memphis, cheer up for like a day or so. Well, I probably go to Little Rock first, then to Memphis, and then from Memphis to Atlanta.
Yeah.
Then from Atlanta to Miami, well to Tampa, then from Tampa to Miami.
Yeah, boys on tour, man. I'm gonna be on tour after a while.
Yeah. That's why I got a newer car. Shit, just cause that. I ain't want no Mars going down the highway like that no more.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. I'm thinking about buying another car right now. Thinking about trading this on here for the Charger red.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know boy, I want to do it, but I don't know if it calling my mind. I ain't gonna cap.
Man, keep putting that shit in their face.
Yeah, cause I don't know, man. But if somebody piss me off, though, I'ma do it.
Yeah, I see. I look. That seems to be the thing now.
Yeah,
You piss me off, I'ma put it on you.
When people piss us off, boy, we go ham on them.
Man, you piss me off, I'ma put it on you.
Pissed me off last time when I had my charger again.
Yeah.
That's why I went and got the red out. I be telling people like, man, don't underestimate me because I don't floss cash around y'all and I don't try to downgrade y'all and I'm humble about my shit. But don't act like I can't stunt on y'all. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
I just don't. I choose not to. Cause that ain't me.
Right.
I want to see everybody win. People be mad when you showing other people love. Cause you can't show them no love. They get mad.
Crazy shit.
You know what I'm saying? The world's so messed up right now. It's like, dang, you know, you can't even be happy for the next man no more. They'll say, hell, you a groupie or shit.
Right. All that weird ass shit.
Yeah, it's just weird shit. Just, you know, like you can't support your fellow people around you, bro. Like you don't supposed to be excited no more when your niggas winning.
Right.
Like, damn, nigga, how fucked up is y'all heads, nigga. I just want to slap the shit out them folks sometimes. It's like, come here, bro, let me slap the fuck out you.
Right now.
You ain't gonna do shit.
Right.
That's why I be saying, man, you know, I be really trying to keep myself from going on one, because people really don't be knowing how I really get, you know what I'm saying? They thought I'd hit that fucking dude in the damn face, all shit, and I only showed them 2 punches. Nigga, shit, I edited the rest out, so y'all wouldn't see me really whoop his ass.
Yeah.
But damn, shit, nigga, that's why I film everything. I whoop somebody's ass, nigga, keep my camera rolling. I ain't hiding shit. I want to let a nigga know that I'm gonna get on your ass.
Repeatedly.
Look,
no. Expeditiously.
Expeditiously. You know what I'm saying?
Expeditiously.
Shit. Hell yeah. But shit, let me hit what you calling them up so I can let them know I'm out here and I'm gonna meet them as soon as I leave here.
Alright.
Alright, bet.
Alright, for sure.
Grinding, nigga.
For sure.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it was the guy real to real, man. On the vlog, man. Talking about when we was out there, man. But yeah, I'm out here at the Walmart, man. I gotta pick up something for baby. And yeah. This might conclude the video, man, because this video is kinda long. So I'm finna do this right here. And then I'm just gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. It's your boy BeeloNation, man. We up out of here.